Welcome to Best Quality Reviews. Top 5 Best Fully Automatic Espresso Machine and Coffee Maker in 2023, Reviews and Buying Guide. Top 1. Philips 3200 Series Fully Automatic Espresso Machine with LatteGo, Black, EP3241/54. About this item: enjoy 5 coffees, intuitive touch display, 12-step grinder adjustment, 20,000 cups of finest coffee with durable ceramic grinders, keep your beans fresh for longer thanks to the aroma seal, up to 5,000 cups without descaling thanks to Aqua Clean, dishwasher safe parts for your convenience, easy cleaning thanks to fully removable brewing group, makes espresso, hot water, cappuccino, coffee, latte macchiato and americano, includes measuring scoop, water hardness test strip, Aqua Clean filter, LatteGo storage lid, grease tube. Top 2. Philips Kitchen Appliances SM7684/04 Espresso Machine, Large, Titanium. About this item: Premier Programming, the Celsius lets you program everything from milk and espresso volume to dose, temperature, and texture. Only thing holding back your morning drink is you, user profile, and, once you have your favorite drinks dialed in, you can save them to your dedicated profile for easy access. Touchscreen control: the Celsius showcases its programming prowess with an accurate 3.5 inches touchscreen, high steam system, an upgrade to the steam systems of old. The Celsius fridge-ready milk carafe packs and texture control and automated purge and clean cycles, double thermal blocks, dedicated for both brewing and steaming, offer accurate temperature controls for every drink in your recipe book, refined ergonomics, from a front access water tank to adjustable spouts and a scratch-resistant drip tray. The Celsius brings the best from Seco design options. Top 3. Nespresso Latissima Pro Espresso Machine by DeLonghi with milk frother, silver. About this item: note: 1. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tapping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. It's all about the foam. The DeLonghi automatic cappuccino system creates perfectly layered espresso beverages, with dense, rich, long-lasting foam in every cup from start to finish. Dimensions with lever open, WXDXH, 7.6x 13x 14 inches, Nespresso capsule system, the ultimate convenience. The recyclable aluminum capsules contain the finest espressos for authentic taste without measuring or cleanup. Milk carafe capacity, L, 16 ounce, 0.5 liter, brings out more flavor. DeLonghi's patented espresso extraction system creates the ideal flow of water with 19 bars of pressure, the ultimate amount for drawing the most flavor and desired temperature in each cup. The perfect amount of milk. During the extraction process, the integrated carafe dispenses milk in adjustable levels for taste. Simply remove from the unit to keep freshly refrigerated. The unit is also designed so no milk comes in contact with the machine, and is dishwasher safe. Rapid heat-up time: no need to wait for a delicious espresso. The thermoblock heating system speeds cold start heating time to seconds. Used capsule container, 15 capsules. Top 4. DeLonghi All-in-One Combination Coffee Maker and Espresso Machine Plus Advanced Adjustable Milk Frother for Cappuccino and Latte Plus Glass Coffee Pot 10 Cup, COM 532M. About this item: note: 1. Too coarse a grind, too little coffee, or insufficiently tapping the grounds before brewing can all lead to inadequate pressure for a proper brew. 2. It is important to note that the amount of espresso extracted will vary depending on the grind size and amount, and reprogramming may be needed when the size and amount are adjusted. No waiting time with dual heating system allows you to brew coffee and espresso simultaneously. Italian 15-bar pressure pump. Experience authentic espressos brewed at the optimal pressure for rich flavor. Advanced steam wand. Choose microfoam setting to steam milk for lattes or treat yourself to authentic cappuccinos with cappuccino setting on the advanced steam wand. 24-hour programmable timer and digital touchscreen. Enjoy intuitive and enhanced experience with digital touchscreen and wake up to freshly brewed coffee with a digital timer. Bold setting function. Customize your preference of flavor and aroma for a rich, yet smooth coffee experience. Spill-proof carafe. The innovative spill-proof carafe allows you to pour your coffee with ease, so not a drop is wasted. Top 5. Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine, Programmable Coffee Maker with Automatic Milk Frother and 15-bar pump, Stainless Steel. About this item: semi-automatic 3-in-1 espresso maker, cappuccino maker, and latte maker. 15-bar pump system brews rich-tasting espresso coffee. Trouble-free automatic milk frother removes the guesswork. Do not wash the water reservoir in the dishwasher. One-touch control panel for drink selections, easy fill, removable water and milk reservoirs. Cord length, 26 inches. 1040 watts. Important. It is important to note, instruction manual must be followed to prime unit before using Cafe Barista for first time, pg. 8. Steps 1 and 2. The total amount of beverage can vary depending on type of milk used and froth control knob setting. It is advised that frothing tube be cleaned after each use because that can cause a variance in the frothing as well. Check out the description link for more information. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, don't forget to subscribe.